SAP Analytics Cloud is a cloud-based business intelligence platform. When paired with the CData Cloud Hub, you get true cloud-to-cloud access to data from cloud applications like Snowflake for visualizations, dashboards, and more. In this video, we walk through connecting to Snowflake in the Cloud Hub and connecting to the Cloud Hub from SAP Analytics Cloud to create a model and build a simple chart. Start by logging into your Cloud Hub instance and clicking Databases. Select an available data source and enter the necessary connection properties. Click Test Database to ensure you have configured the connection properly. After connecting, click Privileges and add a Cloud Hub user with the appropriate permissions. After connecting to Snowflake, create OData endpoints for the desired tables. Select the Snowflake database and select the tables you wish to work with. Click Next. You now have OData endpoints that will allow you to connect to your application data from SAP Analytics Cloud. Next, navigate to your Analytics Cloud instance and click Create Model from the menu. Choose Get Data from a Data Source and select OData Services. Choose an existing connection to your Cloud Hub or create a new one. Set connection name. Set data service URL to the base URL for your OData API. Set authentication type to basic authentication. Set username to the Cloud Hub user you configured earlier, and set password to the auth token for the above user. Choose Create a New Query and click Next. Name the query, select an OData endpoint and click Next. Drag the columns you wish to work with into the selected data workspace and click Create. At this point, a draft data source is created. Click the draft to finalize the model. Perform any transformations, including creating calculated columns, location dimensions, and combining data sources, then click Create Model. Name your model and click OK. With the model created, you are ready to create a dashboard in SAP Analytics Cloud based on Snowflake data. From the menu, click Create Story. Click an SAP Analytics template, choose a layout, and click Apply. From the More menu, select a visualization to insert. Select a model to visualize. Select a structure and the required measures and dimensions. Save the story. At this point, you have a direct cloud-to-cloud connection to Snowflake data from SAP Analytics Cloud. You can create new visualizations, build interactive dashboards, and more. For more information and to sign up for a free trial, visit cdata.com/cloud and see the CData difference for yourself.